So I've been on Wegovy for 3 months. Let's talk about it. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to the channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything you want to see on this channel, go ahead and leave it in the comment section down below and give this video a big thumbs up. It will certainly help out the channel. So I was on Wegovy for 3 months. I lost 23 pounds, so that's good. And I went from 224 to 201. Now, unfortunately, whenever I first started Wegovy, I had called my doctor up because I heard about it, and I was like, so I heard about this new weight loss drug. It's called Wegovy. It's semaglutide. You know, we discussed it a little bit, and she knew about all the hard times that I was having with my weight loss. And that at that point, you know, the last time I had seen her, I was in a decline, and then my hormones flipped on me, and I went down from 215 and then right back up to 224 pounds. And so at that time I was like, I gained a lot of weight. I need something to help me. You know, we went through everything, and she was like, yeah, that sounds like something that would work good for you. So she went ahead and put in the pre-authorization for my insurance company. Well, the last weight that they had on file at my doctor's office was 215, not 224. So according to their records, they have me going from 215, and then their office closed down due to, you know, everything that's been going on in the world. And now I went to a new doctor so I could get, you know, the pre-authorization sent back in to the insurance company. And whenever I went to the new doctor, I was at 201. So, or no, I was on a, you know how water blotion. So I was at 207 when I went to the new doctor that day. And then so it showed me losing only 8 pounds. So unfortunately, my insurance decided that they were no longer going to cover me on Wegovy, so I won't be doing those reviews anymore. But in the past, you know, Keto's worked really well for my body, and so I found this new company, and they meal prep for you, so it's easier for you to stay on track and everything like that. And it was it's not that expensive, and you pay weekly, and they deliver your meals weekly. So I'm going to try that. And as soon as I've already gotten my first week, and I've already have experienced the weight loss from being on that. But I don't know if it's from that or, you know, my hormones or what. So I want to give it another week before I let y'all know what it is, because you know me, I like to do things, and I'm not going to recommend something that I don't 100% agree with. So I'm starting that, and I actually really like the company. The meals are really good and everything like that, so I'll be looking forward to that. So I'm still on my weight loss journey, just not with Wegovy, unfortunately. Although, you know, I do have standing prescriptions from the doctor's office. The insurance company just won't cover it. And they're like, well, you can have your doctor send in, you know, a statement saying that the weights were off or whatever. But at this point, we're at a point where that doctor's office had closed already. And, you know, she's moved on to doing other things. And, yeah, so it's kind of rock in a hard spot situation, but we're still going. We're still going to lose the weight that we need to lose. We're still going to progress into the next part of our life. I can say this week I did finally hit that mark where I hit below 200, so that was really good, and we will see where it goes from there. The whole me working full-time and, you know, taking care of kids and all this has really helped as far as the meal prepping goes. So that's been extremely easy for me, which, you know, before I would cook, but like now I'm getting home later and it's harder for me to cook something for the kids to eat and me to eat, and then it's just a big separation in diets. Though I did have them eating the same thing as me for a while, but you know, they're kids, so they want snacks and they want other stuff, and I understand that, but I just can't eat that way, so it makes it a lot easier if I separate my plan from their eating, and then it's been extremely easy. So I'm hoping that we can get y'all an update on that and let y'all know everything that's going on with that. But yeah, so as for now, I'm not eating any sugar. You know, I still make my keto treats and stuff like that, which if y'all want some keto recipes, as far as keto snacks and stuff like that, even if you're not on the keto diet, having the lower sugar actually helps. So I can do some stuff like that, but until I get approval from my insurance company or something happens with the Wegovy, I won't be using it anymore. And it's a shame though, because it really did help me, and it really did make a big difference in my life. Like, I mean, it started me back on the right path. It helped curb my appetite. It made it to where I wasn't hungry all the time, and now they kind of, those side effects or whatever kind of stuck with me. I am still not eating like a whole lot. So I guess it's kind of shrinking my stomach a little bit. So I guess it helped me in the long term as far as that goes. As time progresses, if the effects of the Wegovy stay, I'll let y'all know. If it goes away, I'll let you know. You know, I will let you know either way. And then that way you know what to look forward to if you get off of it. But I'm at a point in my life now, I'm 33 years old, so I need to kind of stick with the point of losing weight. So hopefully by the time that I'm 40, I'm not way over. But they say already by the time that you hit 30, 35 that it makes it harder to lose weight. But that's been my life story. So we'll see what happens, and we'll just go from there. But for now, that's all I got for you. I will keep y'all updated on this new meal plan that I'm doing, and I'm hoping to see good results from that. I do plan on sticking with it. I also have a couple of ideas in mind as far as like exercise and stuff like that, because we don't want to just lose weight. We want to be healthy. So that's all for today. I hope y'all have a great week, and we will see you next time. Bye.